All right, we have a method here that allows us to find a particular location of a character or characters within another string of characters. So this particular method returns the index value of where that substring could be found within a string of characters. And we've got a few different options here. We can just look for a particular character or characters within there, and it would return back the index or the starting point of where it was found. We could also tell the computer by putting in a second argument here of where we want it to start. So we can start at a certain point within the character. And then finally, we could also tell the computer how far into the string do we want to look. So there's three arguments in this particular method called index of. So we'll find the index of that particular substring. And of course, we could also do the same thing using an individual character. So if we want to find one particular character within inside of there, it will return where in that string did it find it. Was it index 0 or was it 5, wherever it happened to be. And again, we can start to look for that character at a particular point within the string. And we can also count out how far within the string do we want it to actually look for that character. All right, so let's have a look at an example of how that might look. So in this example right here, we have coca beans, and we're looking for the word coca. And so what it's doing is going to stay, in this example here, it's saying, let's start at the second, starting at the second index. So it starts here, that's 0, that's 1, that's 2, and then look from this point forward and look for, is the word CO in there? If it is, where is that? So that's actually starting at index 2. So it's going to return a value of 2 in that case. So this is a way of allowing us to find very, very specific locations of where text can be found within another string. We can search for and find it. So in this example up here, we have chocolate, ice cream, and we've got the word ice. Where is it located? Well, here's the string, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's a match where it finds it, and it says that's where it is. It finds it right at the index 10. So the index of 10 is where that word ice can be located. If it was found, then display the message where it was found. So this is our syntax here. Is the position, was it found? So that was 10. As long as 10 is not -1, that means it wasn't found. If that's correct, then let's display where it was located. All right, this one down here gives the third example to that third argument, which is looking for the word XX. Now it's looking for the word XX inside of XX, OO, XX, and so on. But it says here start at the third position. So let's go 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's start right there. And then look for up to 8 characters. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is there an XX in there? All right, so it's not going to start and find the XX at 0 because we're already at the point here of 3. So that's 3, 4, 5, and then 6. It finds XX again. So they found the next XX at index 6, and that's how it finds that particular one right there. So it's giving us very detailed methods of how to locate a particular string or character or string of characters within inside of a larger string of characters. All right, here's a fairly easy one. Chocolate ice cream. Let's look for the letter O. There's no other things. It just says where's the index of. So it starts here at 0. It goes 1, 2. Oh, it found the letter O. So it's going to return back the number 2. That's the position of where that particular one is. This one right here is looking for the letter O, but it's starting at the third index. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So we've already passed the first O. And then it's going to look for the next O from that point forward. So it's going to go 4. Oh, there's the O right there. And so it's going to return the index. The index of O after the third position will be right here, and it'll display the index number 4. Now this one here's a little more tricky. It's looking for the letter E, and it starts in at 10 characters. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or sorry, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's looking for the letter E at this point here, but it's only going to go for 4 characters. So it's going to look for the letter E. So that's 10, 11, 12. There's the letter E, and it's going to come back at the 12th index. So a lot of neat ways of locating a character or a string of characters within and finding out what their actual position is